Alright, let's now turn to the contract management with Odoo, and let's see how this application will help you manage your customer invoicing easily. First of all, we're gonna deal with the fixed price contract. In this video, you will learn what a contract is about, how you can deal with a fixed price invoicing, how you can easily analyze the revenues dedicated to a contract, and how you can create a contract from templates. To install the contract management in Odoo, go to the sales settings and check the contract management. Once done, click apply. The contract management will help you manage the invoicing for one specific client from one place. This application is tightly linked to the project management and to the analytic accounting applications. Once installed, you can retrieve a new menu item in the sales menu dedicated to the contracts. To create a new contract, click Create. Here, I would like to create, first of all, a fixed price contract for a brand new client who just subscribed to the unlimited support for one of the Odoo applications, the warehousing. So here, as an account title, I can type the customer name. It's Mr. Eating. This client is already existing in my database since I have already sent him an email with a quotation. He just approved. So I can easily retrieve this client. I can specify an account manager and a contract reference. Then, in the renewal section, I can set both a start and an end date for the contract. Here, this contract has been subscribed on an annual basis. I can just select a date 1 year in the future, let's say the 30th of September 2015. Now, let's have a look at the art of a contract in Odoo, which is the invoicing tab. In this first example, I'm gonna apply the fixed price invoicing. Fixed price means based on the sales orders. As an expectation in terms of revenue for this contract, I can here type an amount in dollars, so let's say $2,000. And I can add also terms and conditions. So, unlimited support for warehouse application includes etc. etc. That way, the salesman can easily remember what this contract is about. Then I can click Save. I've got the opportunity to create a new quotation from this invoicing tab by clicking here, but such an order already exists in my database. This client just sent me his signature, so he agrees with the conditions, and before validating this quotation, I can here select the brand new contract. Of course, you have the opportunity to create new contracts on the fly directly from the quotation form. Alright. Now, let's confirm this quotation, and then let's have a look at the invoicing tab in the contract. Now you retrieve the amount to invoice coming from the sales order in the column to invoice. Based on the expectation, I still have $2,000 to invoice to this client. To launch the invoicing for this quotation, you can click here on invoice, or you can directly manage the invoicing from the quotation. By launching the invoicing from the contract, you retrieve here all the sales order lines that have to be invoiced. Let's do it from the sales order. Here I can click on create invoice. Thanks to this wizard, I have the choice between an advance payment or the invoicing of the wholesale order. Well, this is the draft invoice. As soon as this invoice is validated, I get this invoiced amount in my invoicing tab. As you can see here, the sales order has been invoiced. That way, the contract responsible, the salesman, is easily aware of the situation. To create new contracts, you can use templates. The template will help you fill in some fields automatically. Let's create a contract template for Odoo Unlimited Assistance. Since it's a template, I don't have to select a specific client nor manager. I can select a parent analytic account. As said previously, the contract application is tightly linked to the analytic accounting. Actually, one contract is one analytic account, and here I can create a parent analytic account to gather all my projects in my analytic chart of account. Well, then I can apply the fixed price, and I can add some expectations if I want, and some terms and conditions that are generic for all my unlimited assistant clients. Well, that's it. So I can now save this contract template. And now, when I create a new contract, if I select this template, some fields are automatically filled in. For instance, here you can notice that the fixed price is automatically applied. If you want, you can force the user to select a specific template. To do so, go to the sales settings and check mandatory use of templates. The template field will be now mandatory. As you can see here. Okay, that was the first step, so the creation of a fixed price contract. In the next video, we'll see how to manage an automatic recurring invoicing and how to process the renewal of a contract.